On June 4th, 2015, the Moses Brown community came together to break ground on the Woodman Family Community and Performance Center, a 34,000 square foot multifunctional facility designed to be the new social, artistic, intellectual, and spiritual hub of Moses Brown. Immediately after graduation, construction crews began digging the foundation of the new building, as well as beds for the new tennis courts, soccer field, and baseball diamond. With massive jackhammers, excavators, and front-end loaders, they broke through the granite ledge lying 12 feet underground and excavated the foundation, removing 8,000 cubic yards of dirt and rock in the process. The workers used a combination of machines and old-fashioned muscle power to prepare 6 new tennis courts, including setting concrete posts. The ground was leveled and graded, and after installing a brand new backstop, they smoothed and seeded the baseball field. With wooden forms and high-pressure hoses, the teams have begun building the basement walls of the Woodman Center. So far, there have been few delays, and the Woodman Center is on track to open sometime in the fall or winter of 2016.